The Congress Member of Parliament and one of the top names of the Congress party, Rahul Gandhi, stoked a fresh controversy on Mahatma Gandhi's death anniversary. He raised the Hindutva debate yet again. Now, the Congress Neta said that a Hindutvavadi killed Gandhi. What did he exactly say, and why precisely has it become such a bone of contention? Here's the report first.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi paying tribute to father of the nation Mahatma Gandhi on his death anniversary.
हमारे पूज्य बापू
Paying tribute to Bapu in Mann Ki Baat.
30 जनवरी का ये दिन हमें बापू की शिक्षाओं की याद दिलाता है.
Congress MP Rahul Gandhi, who also paid tribute to Bapu, however, mounted a Hindutva attack targeting the BJP, saying Nathuram Godse, who followed Hindutva, killed Gandhi ji.
मोदी जी का रास्ता है वो सावरकर और गोडसे का रास्ता है, जिसमें हिंसा का रास्ता है, जिसमें षड्यंत्र का रास्ता है, जिसमें असहमति का कोई सम्मान नहीं है, जिसे रौंद दिया जाता है.
Rahul was backed by ally Shiv Sena, who slammed Nathuram Godse.
हिंदुत्ववादी होता कोई असली तो जिन्ना को गोली मारता, गांधी को क्यों गोली मारता भाई? पाकिस्तान की जो मांग थी वो जिन्ना की मांग थी. अगर हिम्मत थी आप में, पार्टीशन किया, उनको कोई जाकर गोली मारता, वो देशभक्ति का काम होता.
The BJP hit back at Rahul Gandhi for invoking Godse before state polls, calling his attacks on Hindutva a bid to appease Muslims.
ये हिंदू बैशिंग करके एक सैडिस्टिक प्लेजर का अनुभव करते हैं. कहीं ना कहीं हिंदुओं के खिलाफ ट्वीट करना, उनके खिलाफ बोलने से उनको एक परम आनंद की अनुभूति होती है.
राहुल गांधी जो जिस तरह से हिंदुत्व को से नाथुराम गोडसे को जोड़ रहे हैं, उनका एकमात्र उद्देश्य ऐसा करके मुस्लिम वोट बैंक को आकर्षित करना है. उत्तर प्रदेश के चुनाव को देखते हुए वे ऐसी भाषा का प्रयोग करते हैं. जब जब चुनाव का समय आता है तो राहुल गांधी को गोडसे याद आ जाता है. राहुल गांधी हिंदुत्व को असभ्य और अमर्यादित भाषा में परिभाषित करने लगते हैं.
Rahul has been vocal in his attacks against Hindutva, using it to hit back at saffron groups and target ruling BJP.
पूरी जिंदगी उन्होंने सत्य को समझने के लिए, सच को ढूंढने के लिए बिता दी, और अंत में एक हिंदुत्ववादी ने उनकी छाती में 3 गोली मारी. भाई और बहनों, हिंदू अपने डर का सामना करता है. हिंदुत्ववादी भाई और बहनों अपने डर के सामने झुक जाता है. हिंदुत्ववादी अपनी पूरी जिंदगी सत्ता को खोजने में डाल देता है, लगा देता है.
The Congress MP's constant attacks on Hindutva assumes significance as a depleted Congress heads into the crucial state polls, including in Uttar Pradesh. With Sushant Mehra in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.
So let me introduce our panelists first. From the Bharatiya Janata Party that has been quick to attack Rahul Gandhi, I'm joined by Guru Prakash Paswa. Also, Samajwadi Party and the Congress Party have decided to be with us on this debate. From the Samajwadi Party, I'm joined by Anurag Bhadoria. And from the Congress Party, Anand Madhav will be joining us shortly in just a while. But I want to first start with the Bharatiya Janata Party, because at this point, Guru Prakash, why is the BJP saying this is a bid for Muslim votes that are being sought ahead of elections? Why make that reference?
Pooja, this is a classical case of trivialization of political discourse, perversion of electoral narratives. When the Bharatiya Janata Party, when our political leadership is interested in talking about Ganna, the opposition are talking about Jinnah. Who is Mr. Tawqir Raza? Who is Mr. Imran Masood? Time and again, we have mentioned it, that after 2014, the electoral discourse have taken a tectonic shift. We are talking about progress, performance, what promises we made, what delivery are we going to do. And we saw, we brought Samajwadi Party on the talking table on the issues of Purvanchal Expressway, Jewar International Airport. So there is a fundamental flaw with the thinking of the Congress party, and this is something which is inbuilt. Anti-Hindu mindset of the Congress party is the default
How
setting
is
of
this
the Congress party.
anti-Hindu mindset? Because he was, as history shows us, associated with the Hindu Mahasabha, had Hindu Rashtradal as an outfit that he had joined. So how does it become anti-Hindu? And what about Muslim voters that I asked?
Thank you so much for raising this question, Pooja. When Mahatma Gandhi ji was unfortunately assassinated, the two last words which came out from his mouth were, "Hey Ram." It was Mahatma Gandhi ji who said, for the construction of Somnath temple, we can also use the public funds. It was Mahatma Gandhi who envisioned Ram Rajya. And it is the Congress party that in 2007 in the Supreme Court, which is the highest court of our country, says that Ram is a fictional character. Ramji is a fictional character. How can you say such a thing? And I can give you 100 such incidents. The Shah Banu verdict. Why did you reverse the Shah Banu verdict, which was intended to empower the Muslim women who were divorcees? Why did you say that is देश के संसाधनों पे पहला
anti-Hindu कैसे है? What you've not I have not understood, because these are of course fairly Hindu right-wing outfits that he would. But let Samajwadi Party answer that. Anurag Bhadoria, because at this point BJP is saying that, I mean, of course we'll ask that to the Congress also, that this is of course a tectonic shift. He's saying that you're getting candidates who have some objectionable backgrounds, but BJP is only speaking about issues of development. Do you agree to that? Is that the BJP only talking about progress and vikas?
पूजा, मैं यही तो पूछना चाहता हूँ भारतीय जनता पार्टी से कि आप पूर्वांचल एक्सप्रेस, लखनऊ एक्सप्रेस, मेट्रो पे चर्चा करो ना। आप चर्चा करो आपने कितने हॉस्पिटल्स बनाए, आप चर्चा करो इस बात पे कि आपने कितना एम्प्लॉयमेंट दिया, आप चर्चा करो इस बात पे कि आप बेरोजगारों का यहाँ पे उत्तर प्रदेश में कितना बेरोजगार है, आप चर्चा करो कि यहाँ पे किस तरह से आपने किसानों को रौंदा है, आप चर्चा करो कि यहाँ पे किस तरह से लाठियां आपने मारी है जो रोजगार मांगने आपके पास जाते हैं, आप चर्चा करो कि आपने उत्तर प्रदेश में क्या किया है जो आपने प्रोमिसेस किए थे, कहाँ एम्स, आपने कहा था 10 एम्स बना देंगे, कहाँ है 10 एम्स? मैं आपसे पूछता 10 विश्व स्तरीय यूनिवर्सिटी बनाने की बात थी, कहाँ है वो? कहाँ है वो? बनारस पता नहीं क्या बनने जा रहा था, किधर है वो? मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता हूं, आप इस पे चर्चा क्यों नहीं करते? क्योंकि आप जानबूझ के ऐसे मुद्दों पे चर्चा करना चाहते हो जिससे आपको लगता है कि आपको जाति धर्म की बात हो जाएगी, लेकिन आप भूल गए हैं उत्तर प्रदेश की जनता ने आपको नकार दिया है। जिस तरह से आप चलाते हो ना ये जाट लैंड, ये कल बोलोगे ये ठाकुर लैंड।
अनुराग जी, अभी कहाँ नकार दिया? अभी तो सरकार में है, वो तो उम्मीद करके बैठे हैं कि वापस आ रहे हैं।
भारतीय जनता पार्टी तो दूर दूर तक नहीं आ रही है, तभी तो इनके विधायक एमएलए जो लड़ने जा रहे हैं उनको भगाया जा रहा है। आज भी अगर उनको पता होता कि वो, उनको लग रहा है ना वो हार रहे हैं, तभी देखो किस तरह से किसानों के यहाँ भी जा रहे हैं। अभी तो लोगों ने आपको दरवाजे पहुंचा दिया है। अभी चिंता मत करो, अभी घुटनों भर तक ले आएंगे, घुटने आपको चलना पड़ेगा, घुटनों के बाद आपको रैंक के चलना पड़ेगा।
Strong words from the Samajwadi Party saying they'll bring the BJP to their knees. They have been forced to participate in a door-to-door campaign, mainly because they feel, the Samajwadi Party saying that they'll lose. Let's go to the Congress Party, because Congress Party is in the line of fire. Anand Madhav, because at this point it's very interesting, and I want to go to what BJP had said earlier. This is a bid to seek Muslim votes ahead of elections. That is why this Hindutvavadi comment was made today.
Here I would like to mention that in BJP they have nothing. They just talk about three things, that is Gaya, Gobar and Pakistan. They think that Hindustan can be run on these three things only. That's why they are repeating it again and again. They are not looking into the meaning what the Rahul ji has said. Rahul ji has categorically stated it is only the truth which ultimately prevails, and they are trying to create an environment of lie everywhere. They are telling lie, and they have said lie everywhere on every stage of their politics, and every promises which they have made, they have not fulfilled. We all know about it.
But आनंद जी, पिछले कुछ दिनों में भी ये हिंदुत्ववादी हिंदुइज्म जो मेंशन है राहुल गांधी काफी बार लाए हैं आउट ऑफ नोवेयर। मतलब ऐसा नहीं था कि कुछ उसके लिए जरूरत होती थी, बट ये हिंदुइज्म अलग है, हिंदुत्ववाद अलग है। कांग्रेस बहुत फोकस कर रही है इस पे, तो क्या ये सच है कि ये एक केटर कर रही है एक सेक्शन को?
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है, ये बिल्कुल गलत है। ये मीडिया का बनाया हुआ है, और खास करके भारतीय जनता पार्टी के जो खास करके लोग हैं और उनके पोसे हुए पाले हुए जो मीडिया है वो इस तरह
सर, अब मैं आपसे बिल्कुल जेन्युइन सवाल पूछ रही हूँ, आप मीडिया
जेन्युइन आंसर
आ गए,
मैं जेन्युइन आंसर दे रहा हूँ. This is a media created. No, wait, that's what I'm telling you. This is a media created thing. It's not which Rahul ji had said. Rahul ji had said categorically stated that this country is for all, and we play the all inclusive politics. We don't go for to satisfy one faction or the other faction.
You're rejecting what the BJP is saying, that this is not a bid to reach out to Muslim voters and say that, you know, I'm telling you this was a Hindutvawadi man, Nathuram Godse.
We always do all inclusive politics. We will reach to Muslim, we will reach to Hindi, we are reaching to Hindu, we are reaching to Muslim, we are reaching to Christian and everyone. It's not that we are reaching to a particular caste or particular community, which they are trying to color it, they are trying to polarize it, which is not for the
Guru
country,
Prakash, do you want to
country.
intervene there? That the Congress party is inclusive. It is actually your party that's constantly trying to polarize specifically for Uttar Pradesh. And we remember the Jinnah Ganna conversation that had come. Okay, sir, we'll have him respond.
No, I seriously don't understand, Pooja, that for a party that is unable to announce Charanjit Singh Channi ji as the next chief ministerial candidate are calling themselves inclusive. They're themselves giving them certificates of being inclusive. I find it really, really laughable. As far as the questions of Samajwadi Party is concerned, मैं बताना चाहता हूं आपको, हम तो गन्ना की बात कर रहे थे, आपके नेता जिन्ना को लेकर के आ गए थे, आपके नेता तौकीर रजा, आपके नेता आदिल चौधरी मेरठ में हिंदुओं को धमकी दे रहे हैं. आप थोड़ा बीच में बोल रहे, पूजा आप उनसे बुलवा लीजिए.
आपने तो किसानों की इनकम दोगुनी करने की बात की थी सर, और आपने तो उनको रौंद के मार दिया. आपने तो नहीं उन पे तो
yes, okay, so what is Anurag Bhadoria saying of the Samajwadi Party? Sir, let's listen in. Just 1 second, Guru Prakash. I'll have him say what he wants to, then I'll come back.
I did not let me finish. I will speak when he speaks.
इन्होंने तो सुन तो लीजिए. आप तो
पूजा ऐसे नहीं, पूजा या तो आप इनसे बुलवा लीजिए या मुझे बारी दीजिए. ये मैं नहीं करूंगा.
किसानों की इनकम दोगुनी करते करते किसान को लाके रोड पे बैठा दिया और किसान को रौंद दिया. किसान को चोर डकैत मवाली खालिस्तानी पाकिस्तानी क्या क्या
गलती हो जाती है. बीजेपी की वैक्सीन फैलाते हैं.
आप क्या बात करोगे किसानों की?
फैलाते हैं बीजेपी की
जनता की क्या बात करोगे?
let's go back.
बिना ऑक्सीजन के तड़प के मर गई. उत्तर प्रदेश में
वैक्सीन है ना, आपको वैक्सीन लगने नहीं दिया.
ऑक्सीजन की कमी से उत्तर प्रदेश की जनता तड़प के मर गई. उनकी डेड बॉडी को झाड़ पर नोच रहे थे.
Anurag Bhadoria, you got your interjection. Guru Prakash Paswan, because the BJP made the main comment against.
मारते हो छात्रों को, छात्रों का सर फोड़ देते हो. आप
छात्रों पे अत्याचार कर रहे हो. Okay, Anurag, just a breather there. Let's stay to the topic. Sir, ऐसे तो बहुत issues हैं सर. कल दूसरा issue discuss कर लेंगे. Okay, ठीक है सर, सुन लिया. Guru Prakash Paswan, at this point, as you can see, opposition is bringing in farmers' issue, and recently the issue that we saw of specifically the railway seeking a job therefore, but this is now going to become an issue for the BJP to cash in against Rahul Gandhi. Do you think this is going to help the BJP also? They want Rahul Gandhi to bring in the Hindutvawadi debate that helps BJP also in its discourse. Guru Prakash.
Pooja, I was constantly being interjected, but you can see the symbol behind me. It's the symbol of the world's largest political party, and we have grace and dignity when we speak or when we take part in a debate. So Samajwadi Party, which is synonymous with Gundagardi, which is synonymous with Aparadh, they keep on interjecting. There is democracy in India. There is democracy in studio. There might not be democracy in your party. Now coming to your question, you see, Pooja, we must look at this. Kashi Vishwanath, Ayodhya, we have seen all the places of cultural and spiritual significance can develop simultaneously. And also, आप लड़के हैं लड़कों से गलती हो जाती है, याद दिलाऊं आपको. लड़के हैं लड़कों से गलती हो जाती है, भूल गए क्या? लड़के हैं लड़कों से गलती हो जाती है. आपके नेता ने कहा था बीजेपी की वैक्सीन है. बीजेपी की आप झूठ बोलते हो, लोगों को भ्रमित करते हो, लोगों को भ्रमित करते हो. आप अपराधियों की पार्टी, दंगाइयों की पार्टी, अपराधियों की पार्टी, दंगाइयों की पार्टी हैं आप. लड़के हैं लड़कों से गलती हो जाती है, बलात्कारियों को बचाते हो, बलात्कारियों को बचाते हो, बलात्कारियों को बचाते हो.
Let me go to the Samajwadi Party. Anurag Bhadoria. Men, there's no point fighting. Gentlemen, please, there's no point fighting like this. What you have to notice is how the Congress spokesperson is completely quiet. It is the Congress neta that has made a comment, but the Congress spokesperson is like, let the other two parties fight. Anand Mehra, when you listen to these conversations happening, this is both the Samajwadi Party and the BJP trying to ensure that they get the narrative in hold. The Congress party, with the problem with Rahul Gandhi is he'll make this very significant, according to him, this comment. How does it help on the ground? 5 states are going to elections. When Rahul Gandhi makes a comment, it's not out of nowhere. It's clearly heading and a reference to something. What is it then a reference to that will help the Congress party?
He has expressed his own mind, and he is talking that he is very categorically that it is only the truth which is going to prevail. Tyranny and other things can go for some time, but it cannot last long. You cannot set the sun for a very longer period. It will come out by any means. So we need to realize that this is India is a land of diversity. And in this land of diversity, we cannot talk about just one community and one section of the society. We all need to do an inclusive policy. That's why we all Congress people are doing. And that the result will show. There could be plus and minus in somewhere. But in totality, the election is in 5 states, we all know. And the result will tell that how this Congress sun will come up. Yes.
Guru Prakash, he's saying your party talks about a community, not them. And that is why what he's made is a generic comment. Guru Prakash.
When the Prime Minister Manmohan Singh of Congress Party says इस देश के संसाधनों पे पहला हक मुसलमानों का है, I seriously see no coherence in this argument. It is Manmohan Singh who's saying all this. It was the Rajiv Gandhi government that reversed the verdict.
When did he say that, Guru Prakash? I don't have that in my research.
In 2007, ma'am. In 2007, I can give it to you. In 2007, at an event, and you can clarify it with Mr. Anand as well. You can clarify it with the Congress spokesperson as well. He said it. It's recorded. कि इस देश के संसाधनों पे पहला मुसलमानों का है.
So then after
it was Manmohan Singh. For the cause of minority appeasement, for the cause of this politics of polarization.
No, Mr. Guru Prakash, you are mistaken. You are mistaken.
Anandji, I will show you the video. No,
that's fine.
No.
That's fine. But you are mistaken. You are taking this one. You are just taking the one line. What has been.
So what do you want to say with that, Guru Prakash? What is your inference? Say quickly before I go to the Samajwadi Party.
They failed to understand. He was talking about the Channi, and he failed to realize that Channi is the Chief Minister of Punjab. Then what is the need of announcing the Chief Minister candidate when he is already leading the state? Then what is the need of announcing it again and again? Fine. When the time will come, we will be announcing also, and at the same time, when the election will take place, people will come to know about it. So, and what is happening here? So that's our responsibility, and we are looking into it. Yes.
I have a quick question to Samajwadi Party because I do not want to dissect and divert to other issues. Anurag, what we have on our channel right now running there below is our research about how this is not just about Hinduism and Hindutvad. This is also about Jinnah and Ganna. And bringing in Jinnah, interestingly, even sneakily, has been the Samajwadi Party. You know, references that the BJP has been also quick to jump on. So what do you say to that? How is then the BJP only doing Hinduism and Hindutwadi politics? आप भी तो जिन्ना गन्ना कर रहे हैं.
मैं हिंदुस्तान की पॉलिटिक्स करता हूँ. समाजवादी लोग हिंदुस्तान की जनता की बात करते हैं. हिंदुस्तान की संपूर्ण जनता की बात करते हैं. ये इनका काम यही है कि देश की जनता की बात नहीं करनी है. कैसे जनता को असली मुद्दों से भटकाना है. असली मुद्दा क्या है? महंगाई, बेरोजगारी, महिला पे अत्याचार. इस पे चर्चा नहीं कर सकते. बात ही नहीं करना चाहते. मैं तो पूछता हूं महंगाई में डीजल पेट्रोल के बारे में क्यों नहीं बात करते? अगर इनसे पूछो तो पता क्या बोलेंगे? राजस्थान में कितने क्या है, वहां फिर पूछेंगे पंजाब में कितने का है. अरे भाई ये बताइए कि आपके शासनकाल में 100 पार क्यों है, ये बताइए. आपने तो देश की जनता को बोला था हम आएंगे तो डीजल पेट्रोल की कीमत 65 रुपीज थी, आप तो 30 रुपए 40 रुपए करने वाले थे. आपने 100 के पार कैसे हो गया? यहाँ किसान कैसे अपनी खेती करेगा? कैसे आप वहाँ डीजल खरीद के कैसे अपने जो इक्विपमेंट है कैसे चलाएगा?
सर बीजेपी ने थोड़ी ना हिंदुत्ववाद वाला रिमार्क दिया, वो तो कांग्रेस नेता ने दिया. Are you saying that BJP is using that to divert because it's not a comment that's come from the BJP?
मैंने आपसे क्या बोला? भारतीय जनता पार्टी का काम ही यही है, बिना पाकिस्तान के नाम लिए किसी प्रदेश में चुनाव नहीं लड़ती है. जब तक वेस्ट बंगाल में चुनाव हो रहा था पाकिस्तान, इनको हिंदुस्तान की जनता की चिंता नहीं है. हिंदुस्तान के लोग परेशान हैं. हिंदुस्तान का छात्र जॉब मांग रहा है, उसको तो लाठियों से पीट रहे हैं, उनका सर फोड़ दे रहे हैं. हिंदुस्तान की माँ के बेटे का सर फोड़ देते हैं, उनकी पीठ पे चढ़ जाते हैं. उनके बारे में चिंता नहीं करते. ये उसके बारे में एक शब्द नहीं बोलते. उत्तर प्रदेश और देश की बच्ची के साथ अन्याय हुआ, हाथरस की बेटी के साथ
that's
अन्याय हुआ,
all the
उसके बारे
time
में
I
कोई
have
चर्चा
for
नहीं।
Guru Prakash.
पाकिस्तान की
Maybe
बात करें।
later for other discussions, I'll have that further response from you. But we heard what Congress, Samajwadi Party and the BJP are saying today. The opposition parties are saying that specifically the BJP are trying to divert issues, and other parties are basically alleging that this is not about development. They're trying to find other issues. But BJP says this is basically just an attempt by the Congress to lead into getting more Muslim votes, and at this point perhaps they may not be able to come to power. Very interesting comments coming in. We'll try and continue to debate and discuss. Thank you so much for watching. Heading into a very short break. Stay tuned. You can always watch more on indiatoday.in.